Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need 2 quick settings before you record. First, open Settings, go to Control Center, and add screen recording so the toggle appears. Once added, swipe or press to open Control Center, long press the record icon and tap the microphone to capture your voice. This captures internal and external audio as needed. Also, enable a focus or do not disturb to prevent pop-up interruptions. Once done, position the phone and orientation, because the next step is to start the recording immediately. You're ready to capture. First, set the screen where you want to start. If you need landscape, rotate and lock orientation so it won't flip. Then open Control Center and tap the screen recording button. You'll see a short countdown and then the status bar turns red while recording. If you plan to narrate, make sure the microphone was enabled before the countdown. While recording, navigate to the app or demo. Keep motion smooth and speak clearly, so viewers follow the action easily. To finish, tap the red status indicator or open Control Center and stop recording. Your video autosaves to Photos. Once saved, open the clip in Photos to trim unwanted start or end sections, then use Edit to adjust exposure or crop, and share to send or save to files. If you don't hear audio, make sure you enabled the microphone before starting and check Settings Privacy Microphone for app permissions. If notifications interrupt, enable focus before a new capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.